Welcome to another myForest tutorial. In this video we will cover what a myForest paid plan is and the benefits it brings to you as a myForest user. myForest has two account types. The cost of a paid plan varies depending on the account type you have. myForest owner accounts are best for individuals or organisations managing a single site. myForest agent accounts are best for individuals or organisations managing multiple sites. Sylva Foundation is an environmental charity. Your subscription supports the maintenance and continual development of the powerful and effective myForest technology into the long term for public good. We continue to consult with partners and users to ensure our service is reasonable and prudent and is in line with the delivery of our charitable objectives and other public outcomes. A paid plan is £24 per year for users with a myForest owner account. A paid plan is £120 per year for those with a myForest agent account. As shown, there are several benefits to becoming a paid plan user, from additional mapping backgrounds and data layers to outputs such as subcompartment plans and Forestry Commission, Scottish Forestry and Natural Resources Wales compliant maps. Having launched the myForest app, you can see the additional features and benefits available to those with a paid plan. Ordnance Survey mapping backgrounds are a requirement for most Forestry Commission grants, including the new England Woodland Creation offer. Ordnance Survey mapping backgrounds are a requirement for all Scottish Forestry and Natural Resources Wales creation and management grants and plans. With a paid plan, you will be able to access additional data layers. These additional data layers may be GB wide or England, Scotland or Wales specific. You are able to create more detailed downloadable PDF maps with a paid plan and also access additional outputs such as subcompartment plans and access the Forestry Commission felling licence online output. As a charity, we pride ourselves on providing powerful technology and innovation aiding you as a myForest user. If you have any questions surrounding paid plans, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.